Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves the feeling of freshly styled hair but doesn't want to spend hours at the salon, today's product might just be your new best friend. The Revlon All-in-One Style Hot Air Kit promises to give you that salon-styled finish with ease, thanks to some pretty innovative features. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see. The Revlon All-in-One Style Hot Air Kit is designed to curl and volumize your hair while giving you a smooth, shiny, frizz-free finish. It uses Ionic Technology to combat frizz, leaving your hair looking sleek and healthy. The ceramic coating is another standout feature, ensuring that heat is distributed evenly to prevent any damage from overstyling. The kit includes two interchangeable barrels, a 1-inch and a 1.5 inch, which is ideal for different styling needs. Additionally, the barrel rotates thanks to the curl release button, preventing tangles as you style, and there are two heat and speed settings, plus a cool setting for a perfect finish. After testing this product out for a few weeks, I found it to be surprisingly easy to incorporate into my routine. The process is straightforward. Just towel dry your hair and then use the device on sections of your hair. The rotation feature is great, especially for those like me who tend to get a little tangled up with traditional curling irons. It kept things smooth, and the results were noticeably shinier, which I loved. My hair felt soft and looked bouncy without feeling weighed down, which is something I'm always looking for in a hot air tool. The two barrel sizes gave me the flexibility to go from soft waves to more defined curls, so you really get a lot of versatility with this kit. Now, like any product, there are a few things I noticed. The main downside is that it's not a tool you can use on fully wet hair. The instructions clearly state that you need to towel dry your hair first, and if you don't, it doesn't really perform as effectively. If you're in a rush and forget this step, it can be a bit frustrating. The tool is also on the lighter side in terms of power, with a 500-watt rating, so if you're used to more high-power styling tools, you may find it a bit slower than expected, especially when styling thicker hair. When it comes to value for money, the Revlon All-in-One Style Hot Air Kit offers a solid balance. The price is quite reasonable considering the technology, the included accessories, and the overall performance. If you're someone who styles your hair regularly and is looking for a tool that's not too complicated but still delivers great results, it's a good investment. In comparison to other styling tools on the market, this one holds up pretty well. It's not as expensive as some high-end blow dryers or curling irons, but it still performs effectively with the added bonus of being compact and user-friendly. If you're after a more heavy-duty styling tool though, you might want to explore options with higher wattage or those that can dry and style wet hair simultaneously. As for the build quality, the materials feel durable, subtle, and the design is simple yet functional. The interchangeable barrels are easy to swap, and the overall construction seems solid for everyday use. It's a great product for travel too, thanks to its lightweight design and ease of use. I didn't need to contact customer support for this product, but Revlon generally has a reputation for reliable customer service. They're known for being responsive when issues arise, which adds peace of mind when purchasing. There have been no major updates or reformulations to the product since its release, but that doesn't detract from its performance. If you're after a product that's going to give you effortless, salon-style hair on a regular basis, this could be the one. If you're on a budget, there are definitely more affordable alternatives out there. For example, a budget-friendly blow-dry brush or a basic curling wand might work if you're just looking for volume or curls without the added technology. But if you're looking for a tool that combines both curling and volumizing with the convenience of a blow-dry style, this one is pretty hard to beat for the price. To wrap it up, the Revlon All-in-One Style Hot Air Kit does what it promises, giving you bouncy, shiny hair without the need for a salon appointment. Its easy-to-use design, versatility, and affordable price make it a great option for anyone who wants to streamline their hairstyling routine. I think it's perfect for those with medium to fine hair who want a smooth, voluminous finish without the hassle. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the Revlon All-in-One Style Hot Air Kit, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.